guys, it's Davita with WTI. I have to tell you about the most adorable 14 karat gold plated earrings that I have found. These amazing 4-piece set hoop earrings by Rose Jopel are just absolutely stunning. I love that they come in 4 different sizes, which means that you can mix and match, especially if you have 2 or more ear piercings. The clasp is really sturdy. You don't have to fidget with it to put it on your ear, and they stay in place. I have worn the larger size hoop earrings for almost, I don't know, I would say a few months now, every single day. People have given me compliments on them, and they're just so beautiful. The gold does not wear out. I've even worn them to bed. I've worn them in water, and they are still like new. So I am super happy with the quality. I love mixing and matching them. They're so beautiful. I would highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.